Hello my dear YouTubies and horse-loving friends. A very good question came to me. It was, Mel, what do you think? Do horses want to be ridden? Should I ride a horse? Also in the aspect of animal rights, veganism, health aspects, etc. And well, my best advice is be quiet, stop thinking and listen to your heart. What is your inner voice telling you? Your inner voice is the voice of the universe, which is also the voice of your horse and also the voice of your heart. So always follow what feels good for you, and yes, what your inner voice or your inner teacher tells you. That is the wish of your horse, and that is what feels good for you and your horse. So I wish you a very good day and see you next video. Bye bye and go vegan. Namaste my friends.